What's up, guys? Today we're talking about straight decks and who they're for. And when I talk about straight decks, it's primarily on deck over either F-Maxes, SDXs, DECs like the one we have here. It means they do not have a dovetail on the back. They are just straight on the back, so straight deck. And all of our straight decks do come with sliding ramps. So why would you want that trailer? If you find yourself as a hot shotter who is hauling primarily palleted goods or long material or crates of things, crates of product to a job site, that's what you're catering to, those types of customers. Or even like on this DEC, you're a construction company who again is hauling palleted goods. You're going to pick up sod or going to pick up pallets of rock, or you're going to pick up lumber that's long material. That's the primary use of the trailer. A straight deck could be a good option for you. Now, if you are going to be hauling concentrated equipment often, skid steers, excavators, things like that, you probably don't want to go with a straight deck. Could it work? You could make it work, but the downside is you don't have that support under the rear of the trailer when you're loading that really heavy concentrated equipment, which puts added and stress on the rear of the trailer, and it could cause issues. So if you are going to be hauling that type of equipment often, go ahead and look at those models that have the ramps with a knee on them to where that they take that stress off the trailer. But again, going back to the straight deck, if you find yourself hauling palleted goods and long material a lot, straight deck could be a great option for you. And they do have better ground clearance than the other models because they don't have a dovetail hanging down behind at the rear of the trailer. The straight decks do come with sliding ramps, so if you're hauling, say you need to move a pickup truck or a tractor, a garden tractor, side by side, things like that that aren't super concentrated, that the weight is kind of spread out and it's on tires versus tracks, straight deck is good for that. So jump on DiamondC.com, explore all the different straight decks we have to offer, really think about the work that you're going to do with the trailer, and there you can design one to fit your needs.